Hi everyone. In this project, we will try to make a cannon shell rotate according to the orbit along its motion trajectory. We have a cannon and a firing button in our scene. Let's shoot, and as you can see, cannon shell don't rotate gradually according to the motion trajectory. This situation negatively affect reality. Let's try to fix this problem right away. In our stage, the bullet spawn works whenever the subject button is pressed and the movement of the cannon shell component is provided with the motion coding loaded on it. Let's write the following command line in the update method in our script that provides the movement of the cannon shell. Transform dot forward equals vector3 dot larp parenthesis transform dot forward comma, this is physics name, dot velocity comma time dot delta time, and we close the parenthesis and semicolon. Let's save the script as it is and run it again. Yes, as you can see, all cannon shells rotate gradually according to their motion trajectory, and we have achieved the reality. See you in another project.